Jake wasn't a bad student, just a bored one. A sophomore at Riverside College, he spent more time on TikTok than on textbooks. And he had recently become obsessed with videos showing people tricking vending machines. Most of the hacks were fake, but Jake was convinced he could do better. The vending machine in the student union had a reputation for being stubborn. It swallowed bills, jammed on chips, and once dispensed to sodas at once. Jake saw it not as a nuisance,
but as a challenge.
That machine owes us, he told his buddies one afternoon. Today, I'm collecting, armed with nothing but a bent ruler, a flashlight, and his oversized confidence.
Jake approached the glowing machine like it was a safe he planned to crack.
His friends followed, eager for entertainment. Someone muttered, "This is either genius or the dumbest thing we've ever seen."
Jake tapped the glass dramatically, then crouched down. Step 1. Confuse the machine.
Step 2. Profit.
He poked around the coin slot, pressed a secret combination of buttons, or so he claimed.
And after a tense pause, the machine made a grinding noise.
A Snickers bar fell to the bottom tray. The crowd gasped.
Jake pulled it out, held it up like he'd just won an Olympic medal, and shouted, "Victory!"
But he wasn't done. Emboldened, Jake decided one candy wasn't enough. He yanked open the flap at the bottom and tried fishing for another snack.
His arm slid in. He groped around.
His fingers brushed against a bag of Doritos. Almost got it, he grunted. Then came the click.
The flap snapped shut, clamping onto his forearm like a steel trap.
"Ah, guys," Jake said nervously.
Little hell! At first, his friends thought he was joking.
But then Jake started wriggling, his sneakers squeaking on the tile, his face turning red as he pulled. Instead of freeing himself, he slipped further in.
Soon, his head disappeared into the compartment. All that remained were his legs, sticking straight out, kicking wildly like an upside-down turtle. The student union erupted. Phones were out. Someone live-streamed it. Another narrated like a sports announcer. And he's going for the Cheetos. Folks, oh no, he's stuck in the machine. Jake's muffled voice echoed from inside. Stop laughing and help me. But no one was in a hurry.
One girl doubled over, crying with laughter.
Another boy leaned in, saying, "Bro, you look like you're being born from a vending machine." Someone else slipped $1 into the slot and pressed a button. Joking. Let's see if it dispenses, Jake. After 15 chaotic minutes, campus security arrived. The officers tried not to laugh, but it was impossible. One fighty sighed and said, "Son, this is a vending machine, not a buffet."
With the help of a screwdriver and a lot of pushing, they freed Jake, who stumbled out, hair messy,
Covered in chip crumbs and smelling like stale candy. The aftermath was worse than the embarrassment. The college fined him for damaging the machine and stealing snacks. Local news picked up the story with the headline, "Hungry student gets trapped in snack attack."
The video went viral online, with millions laughing at the clip of Jake's legs flailing in the air.
His nickname became permanent. Snack Bandit.
Professors used it, classmates shouted it across campus, and even the cafeteria staff joked, "Careful, or we'll stick you in the salad bar."
Jake eventually laughed about it himself.
"Look," he admitted, "I just wanted free food."
Instead, I got internet fame and a $400 bill. Worst trade deal ever.
Now, whenever he passes a vending machine, someone inevitably nudges him and whispers, "Hungry, Jake."
Want me to spot you a Snickers? He groans, but can't help laughing. After all, if you're going to make a fool of yourself, you might as well make the whole world laugh too.